Hi everyone, welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. यहाँ हम आपको विभिन्न प्रकार की ड्राइंग और उनकी पीछे की तथ्यों को दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो यदि आप अगर एक कला प्रेमी हैं और अज्ञात तथ्यों को जानना चाहते हैं तो अभी सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं। Today we have brought a very special drawing. Yes, it's Merry Christmas Santa Claus drawing. आज हम एक बहुत ही खास ड्राइंग लेकर आए हैं। मेरी क्रिसमस सांता क्लॉज ड्राइंग है। Since Christmas bell is ringing and we are all ready to celebrate it, पर क्रिसमस सांता क्लॉज के बिना तो अधूरा है। We all know that on Christmas, Santa comes to our houses to give away our fondest gifts. But who was Santa? Was there any real Santa Claus ever? Let us know the story today. Santa Claus, also known as Father Christmas, Saint Nicholas, Saint Nick, or simply Santa, is a legendary character from Western Christian culture who is said to make lists of children throughout the world, categorizing them according to their behavior and bringing gifts on Christmas Eve of toys and candy to well-behaved children and coal to naughty children. आज सैंटा को हम मुख्य रूप से लाल रंग के कपड़े पहने हुए एक हंसमुख व्यक्ति के रूप में जानते हैं, जो क्रिसमस की पूर्व संध्या पर अच्छे बच्चों को खिलौने देते हैं। लेकिन उनकी कहानी हमें 3री शताब्दी में वापस ले जाती है, जब सेंट निकोलस जीवित थे और वे बच्चों के संरक्षक संत बन गए थे। It is believed that Nicholas was born around 280 AD near Myra in modern-day Turkey. He was once just an ordinary baby boy named Nicholas. The baby boy was just like any other boy, but his parents hoped for great things from their only son. So they named him Nicholas, which means हीरो ऑफ द पीपल। ऐसा कहा जाता है कि उन्होंने अपनी विरासत में मिली संपत्ति को छोड़ दिया और गरीब और बीमारों को मदद करने के लिए विभिन्न देशों की यात्रा की। One of the most well-known stories is when he rescued 3 poor sisters from being sold into slavery or prostitution by providing dowry by their father so that they could get married. Over the course of many years, Nicholas's popularity spread and he became known as the protector of children. At the time, Christianity was illegal under Roman Emperor, but he studied to be a priest and spent time in prison for his beliefs. However, after Emperor Constantine legalized Christianity, Nicholas was elected Bishop of Myra. For all his good deeds, Bishop Nicholas was named a saint. He is honored as the saint who looks after all children. So, like any other saints, Saint Nicholas was also given a name day. One day each year, everyone celebrate saints' good deeds. Saint Nicholas's Day is December 6th. People all over the world began to celebrate Saint Nicholas Day. They hung their stockings by the fire the night before and awoke the next morning to find them filled with candy, fruit, nuts, toys, etc. Saint Nicholas had left a magical gift at each home. Several sources state that Saint Nicholas is believed to have died on December 6th, 343 AD. Let us now celebrate the kindness of Santa Claus through this painting. Wow, what a mesmerizing story of Santa Claus, and the illustration too. We should try to celebrate the Christmas by remembering Santa's kindness and try to do some good to at least few people every day, bringing smile to their faces. I believe you loved today's session. So if you like our drawing sessions, subscribe to our channel now. यदि आप हमारे ड्राइंग सेशंस को पसंद कर रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. We wish you Merry Christmas to you all. See you soon. फिर मिलते हैं. Bye bye.